In this video, you'll learn how to connect Major Star to your OKX wallet. By following these steps, you will successfully transfer cryptocurrency from Major Star to your OKX wallet, allowing for seamless management of your digital assets. Begin by opening the OKX Wallet application on your device. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection, as this will facilitate a smooth experience while navigating the app. Once the app is open, you will be directed to the main dashboard, which displays your current cryptocurrency holdings. Next, locate and tap on the Assets tab at the bottom of the screen. This section provides an overview of your assets and available options related to your wallet. After selecting Assets, look for the Deposit option and tap on it. This action will lead you to the deposit screen, where you can choose the type of cryptocurrency you wish to receive. Select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit into your OKX wallet. After making your selection, the application will display your OKX wallet address for that specific cryptocurrency. It is crucial to copy this address accurately, as it is needed for the transfer. Tap the copy button to save the address to your clipboard, ensuring that you can easily paste it later during the transfer process. Now, move on to the Major Star wallet. Open the Major Star application on your device. Similar to the previous step, make sure your internet connection is stable to avoid any interruptions. Once the app is open, find and tap on the send or transfer option, which should be prominently displayed on the main screen. After selecting send or transfer, you will be prompted to enter the recipient's address. Paste the OKX wallet address that you copied earlier into the designated field. Double check to confirm that the address is correct to prevent any loss of funds. Next, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to send. Once you've reviewed all the details, tap on confirm to proceed with the transaction. Depending on network conditions, you may need to wait for a brief moment while the transaction is processed. Finally, wait for the blockchain confirmation of your transaction. This process may take some time, depending on network congestion and the cryptocurrency being transferred. You will receive a notification once the transaction is successfully confirmed on the blockchain, indicating that the funds have been successfully sent to your OKX wallet